Well, we're going to do a cold start in my shed here. It's nice and warm in here. Got my heater going. Ooh, let me turn this down a bit. So, we're going to do a cold start of that. My Speedex. This is big. It's the S24, same tractor as the one that I just made a video of. This one's just repainted and everything. This is my winter one. It's got caution lights right there, headlight, it's got a headlight, caution light, and then a backlight. All three. And it's all labeled. So, let's see here. Let me open up this door. So, when we start her up, she's going to smoke. Oh, let's pick up the rock and put the rock on the door. She'll start right up because I haven't used it in a while, but we haven't had any snow. You see all the snow's melting. It's raining out there right now. But it's supposed to get real cold tonight, so we're going to do a cold start, and we're going to make sure this thing's going to run. We're going to make sure this is going to start up, because we're supposed to be getting a bunch of snow. Let me see here. Let's get her going. That's a loser for this tractor. Sometimes it can be a loser. It's already got enough gas and oil, so first thing we're going to do is turn on the gas. Make sure it's in neutral, the brakes on, full choke, about half the throttle. Once it gets warmed up, it runs pretty good. Let's get some raindrops on the camera. Oops, there goes one. Well, we know it runs now, so it's ready for winter. Let me shut this door now. It's cold in here. It's gonna get cold. It's pretty cold out. Now, let me show you a little update of what's to become. So, I got this motor right here. It's all torn apart. It's stripped to nothing. So, I gotta change the points and condenser. I'm not taking them out yet. That's the old coil. It's gonna get changed out. I'm rebuilding this motor. I got a new piston and everything. That's the old crankshaft. And then all my parts are up there in my box. Right up there. I got a new piston, rings, new seals, spark plug, all that. My computers out. I got a computer out here. There's my lawnmower, four-wheeler. So pretty much nothing changed. The lawnmower and the four-wheeler are just parked for the winter. And I have that motor too. It's a Murray, Briggs & Stratton, 3.5 horsepower. Classic. So this is I'm gonna take you outside here and show you what's over here. So this was that snowblower that motor was on. An 18-inch Craftsman. It's gonna get rebuilt. There's the auger way over there. That's the auger. So that's what's gonna be getting rebuilt here pretty soon. There's my log splitter. There it is on that side. Here's my log splitter. Let's see what she looks like. Haven't done a cold. I made a video of it, but you guys let me know if I should do a cold start of this. I probably will. Just there she be. So all nice and dry under the winter. So that's what to come. Hope y'all enjoy, and hope I get some snow to make a video of our new snowmobile and some more cold starts. Until then, bye-bye.